Hello viewers, welcome to this edition of Focused News on YouTube at Focused_Animations channel. Please subscribe to this channel for more interesting news items after watching this episode and share with friends as well. The international news is up next. Stay tuned. Welcome back, viewers. Tonight we are taking you to Japan, to watch the amazing intersection of a railway and a main road. While watching, take notice of how unique and orderly manner all road users behave. Please take a look.
It is a beautiful morning, and road users are plying the road for their daily activities. Japanese are noted for self-discipline, trust, confidence, and among all, respect for the laws of the country. No one control the traffic. As it's been left to the conscience of those who ply the road at this spot. When road users get to the intersection spot, they'll have to stop and watch out for an oncoming train before crossing the road. This is because when the train is about 200 meters away, the alarm will sound and the barrier will close. Apart from the train, other road users would have to wait for the train to cross and the barrier to open before they continue their journey. This helps to prevent unnecessary occurrence of accidents on Japanese roads. Which in effect helps to minimize productive time wasting, because unfortunate situations could lead to lateness to work or injury and loss of labor force. Just as you're about to watch in this video. You would notice that after the alarm began to sound, the barrier took few seconds to close. This allows any road user who is already in motion before the beginning of the alarm continue his or her journey before the barrier closes. Some seconds later, the train would pass and the barrier would open to other road users. And there comes the train, a local train with 4 cabins. Once the alarm stops, the barrier opens automatically to the waiting traffic. And this is how Japanese daily traffic routine is. Reporting for Focused News, Japan.
Wow, so amazing, isn't it? And that's all for tonight. Please join us next for more revealing international news. Till then, I remain Mr. Don't Give Up. Bye bye.